Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to see each time I upload a brand new video. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys my wash day routine. We are going to be doing a silk press. Y'all see how it came out. If you want to see how I got my silk press, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like after not being washed for 2 weeks, and we are dry and dusty, child. So we need a good wash day routine. So I started off by pre-pooing my hair. I'm just spraying some water and aloe vera on my hair just to moisten, and we're going to be breaking up my hair with our fingers. And then I'm going to be using this Prepoo oil that I made. Everything will be in the description box down below. So yeah, once I pre-poo my entire head, I actually let it sit for 45 minutes.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny.
So I'm using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. Using their shampoo and conditioner for this particular wash day. I shampooed my hair 3 times just to make sure I had a clean scalp and I didn't have like extra oils, anything like that on my hair. I feel like when you start out with a good shampoo, you'll get the best results as far as the silk press. That way you have less products on your hair and you won't be burning extra products with the flat iron. So I shampooed 3 times just to kind of make sure I started out on a clean slate. And then I just went in and I'm just applying this conditioner to each strand. You want to make sure you put that moisture back into your hair, especially if you're shampooing 3 or more times, because you want a clean slate, but you also want to keep moisture in your hair. And it is winter time, it's cold, and all that's pulling all that moisture out your hair. So definitely moisture your hair.
trying to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. We don't really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Once I let that conditioner sit, I did about 10 minutes. I rinsed it out, and now I'm just going in with my Tresemme blow dry spray. This is like their heat protecting blow drying spray. I'm using a tension method here with this blow dryer, y'all. Like my other blow dryer, somewhere between my last wash day and this video, the blow dryer died. Like, it wouldn't even turn on, so I ended up having to use Old Faithful. We had this thing for years, and she's still kicking. So I'm just using the tension method first, and then I'm doing like a rough dry. Then I go in with my brush, and I'm trying to get like the best results. But I was like, you know, this is not really working because my hair is in between wet and dry. Then I go in with the comb. So you do what's best for your hair type, the best method for you, honey. I was doing a little bit of everything, okay? But it does not take long for your hair to dry when you use that Tresemme. Like, my hair was drying really, really fast. So this is what the hair is looking like once it is blow dried, and we are ready for our silk press process. So I parted my hair into 6 sections. I find that parting your hair into really, really small sections helps a lot with the silk press. It helps things to be flat, and you just get the best results. So I'm doing not even like tiny sections, but like not even medium, so something in between. I go in and I press my roots first, and then I'll take my rat tail comb, and I like to do the chase method. I always like to do this method. It gives me the best results. So I do pretty much that, you guys.
Then dip me underway. Fill my cup, hold me till I scream for air, breathe. And while wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Then rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
So once the hair is all straightened, I did go in and do a little trim. Y'all, I've been using this method for, I'll say, about a year now. Like, I started last year when I did my silk press. But there's a YouTuber, she's a hairstylist. I think it's like It's Deeper Than TV Hair. She showed people how to trim their hair at home because of COVID. And I've been doing this ever since. So I've been following her method. Definitely check out her YouTube channel, because literally every time I need to do a trim, I find myself going back to that video. So I'm just parting my hair in the front, and I'm just like trimming a little bit. I think my last little trim had to be somewhere around maybe November. I try to do it every 3 months. It could have been October, I'm not sure, but I'm going in using her method. So I'm going down the center of my head, and then I'll go in on the sides, and then I think I go down the middle again, and then I'll bring the hair forward and do my little trim. Y'all, look at my nephew. Caden is gonna be Caden, y'all. Caden called himself helping me do my hair. First of all, when he came in, he was like, "What did you do to your hair?" So since Caden was like a baby, he was kind of like conscious of everything. He would always just see me with my natural hair. So last year I straightened my hair. He kind of like knew, like he was like, "You look different." He did not like it. He don't like my straight hair. Like he don't really care for like my natural hair, but he was calling himself trying to help me straighten, will help me trim my hair, child. So that's that. So once everything is done, I went in there, just threw a little bit of curls in there to give it some life, some body. And this is what the hair is looking like. And I'm just going in and wrapping it. I wanted to add the saran wrap part to this. I never did it. Normally I would do it, but I was just so tired and I had company, so I didn't do that. But if you add that little step, I think you would definitely get some bomb results. But I was just like, it just won't get done this time around, so I just wrapped it. And then a few days later, I did a little makeup to do a little for the girls, okay? And that is the finished results, you guys. Alright, so it's been a few days since I've done this silk press. I literally just did to get ready with me, so I'm just doing everything in one. But this is what the hair is looking like, you guys. I really feel like my routine really enhanced and gave me the best results that I could possibly get. This is the best silk press thus far that I've done on myself and in general, because some folks, never mind. Anyways, but this is the hair, very much silky. And yeah, she looks good. Like, this color and everything is just, I love it. I just love everything about this moment. So that is all I have for you guys. Let me know what you think of this style, this hair, and as always, I will see y'all in my next video.